Hello there, this is Philip Neidlinger, KA4KOE, with another episode of Electromagnetic Mischief. And today, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this 80 through 10 meter end-fed antenna that Tim Ortiz has developed. It uses a 470 picofarad capacitor in the center of it to bring the resonance point on 80 meters up to about 3.7, 3.75. If you're anywhere familiar with end-fed half-waves, you know that on the multiples of the fundamental, you start getting, the resonance starts shifting up. So if you set the initial tuning for 3.75, middle of that band, then the subsequent resonances would eventually fall outside and above the harmonics. So here's the new Unin he's developed, a 49-to-1. And how I know it's 49-to-1? Because it says so right here. It's a pretty good chance it is. 3D molded and printed into the enclosure, totally waterproof. So I've had a lot of success with this. I will tell you that this carbon fiber pole, which is now 32 feet long instead of 33, because the top section is really tiny and fragile, I've not really noticed any interactions, but I think this pole is really only suitable for a sloper. It's barely holding up the end of this antenna in inverted V configuration. It's bending over quite a bit. So I'll show you that. So you can see it's bent quite a bit. So in long-term usage, I would not recommend this antenna mast for anything other than a lightweight sloper. And this is 22 gauge wire. I'd probably go even lighter than that. And also in the backyard antenna testing range, I got one of my solar panels. This is a Global Solar 62 watt, which I've had for a couple of years. I have several of these. They're great products. So here we are at the in-laws for the weekend. Just tried to show you the toys. And I've done more testing with the end-fed 80 through 10, and I'm very pleased with it. If Tim decides to market this, it'll be a good aerial. Initial results have been very favorable. So y'all have a good day. 73, thanks for visiting with me, and we'll talk to you soon. This is KA4KOE, signing off and clear for now. Bye-bye.